Do you have a ball? Do you have a ball? Yeah, that's a big pink ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Do you want to get the ball? Yay, you got the ball. Hey, Kate, can you roll the ball to Elliot? Yay, you got the ball, Elliot. Yay, you got the ball. You got the ball. Yay, you got it. Yay, you got it. Yay, you got it. Oh, Kate, you got the football. Good job. Can you throw it? Careful.